Now we're going to talk about hash tables and hashing in C++. Now, before we dive into the coding, let's understand the concepts of hash tables and hashing. A hash table, also known as a hash map, is a data structure that uses a hash function to map keys to values. This allows for constant time average case data retrieval. Hashing involves converting data into a numerical value hash code using a hash function. Let's begin by implementing a hash table in C++ using the standard template library, STL. In this code snippet, we include the IOStream and unordered map header files. The unordered map header file provides the necessary functionalities for implementing a hash table. Inside the main function, we create a hash table called myHashTable using the std unordered map int std string syntax, or this right here. This hash table associates integer keys with string values. To insert key value pairs into the hash table, we use the insert function. In this example, we insert 4 key value pairs using brace and closed initializer lists. To access and modify values in the hash table, we use the square bracket notation. We output the value at key 2 using std_cout and modify the value at key 3. To check if a key exists in the hash table, we use the count function. If the count of a key is greater than 0, it means that the key exists in the hash table. To remove a key value pair from a hash table, we use the erase function. In this example, we remove the key value pair with key 2. To print the hash table, we use a range-based for loop. We iterate over each key value pair in the hash table and output the key and value using std_cout. Now, let's explore the concept of a hash function, which plays a crucial role in hashing. In this code, we include the IOStream and functional header files. The functional header file provides the hash template class, which we'll use for our hash function. Inside the main function, we create a hash function using the std hash std string syntax. This hash function is specialized for strings. To compute the hash value of a data element, we call the hash function with the data as the argument. In this value, we compute the hash value for the string hello world and store it in the hash value variable. We then output the hash value using std_cout.